Okay, Kevin, this is where you should be at right now when you take your flywheel off. You got your 6 rolls, your spring, your collar, and your thrust plate and flywheel. And you've got this trip that like that. Basically, what you're trying to do is when this is tripped, or when this is in the stop position, I should say, you want that right there on that ledge. That's what stops it when it comes around. You want it to look like that, but you want the spring on it. And the spring goes up underneath. It hooks here and goes here, but it goes underneath, around. I'm going to try and show you real quick how to do this. Kind of not hard having the extra hand, but anyway, you should be able to see it. You trip it, bring this stud around real close to that one, hook that on there, and then keep tension on it and hook it on the other one, and then spin it until it pops on. See? That ledge is right there. Now, of course, I did this with the machine in top dead center. The way you find top dead center is make sure this is all the way up. You can do that by moving this. You can either pull it, or push it. If for some reason when you go to put this on, if the crank wants to move, tighten your brake a little bit. Put it all together and then loosen the brake. Okay, at this point, pretty easy. You put the grease in, you put all the clutch rolls in, then you put the plate on, you put the collar on, grease and oil, put some oil on top of here, slide her on, put your belt on, and you're good to go. And what happens now, whenever you trip this, when you trip this lever, it allows this clutch cage to come forward. All these rolls grab on that cam, and that's what engages the entire crank and makes one revolution. As you can see, that's how you want the spring at the bottom.